Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to install iOS 15.1 public beta 2. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the Safari app on your iPhone. On the Safari page, search beta.apple.com. Scroll down. Tap Get Started. Scroll down. Tap Enroll your iOS device. Scroll down. Tap Downloaded Profile. Tap Allow. Tap Close. Then go back home screen. Open the Setting app on your iPhone. Tap Profile Downloaded. Tap Install. Again install. Tap Not Now. Tap Done. Then go back General page. Tap Software Update. iOS 15.1 Public Beta 2 is available. Thanks for watching this video.